Garrett youth, victim of train. January the 4th, 1935. Sam Risner, killed at Garrett, December the 24th, while crossing between cars. This happened on Christmas Eve to 11-year-old son of Vincent and Miss Elizabeth Turner Risner of Stone Cold Creek near Garrett. He was struck and instantly killed by a train at Garrett in Floyd County. The train had stopped at Garrett, blocking the railroad crossing, it is said, and the boy had climbed between the cars to cross the tracks. The train started suddenly, this report says, and the lad fell beneath the wheels. Surviving the victim are his parents, 2 sisters, and 1 brother. Funeral rites were conducted Christmas Day by the Reverend Thomas Smith and Alex Coburn, and burial was made at Garrett. He was buried behind the Stone Cold Old Regular Baptist Church. It's one of the oldest churches located in Floyd County. And the name of the cemetery is called the Wicker Cemetery. And little Sam doesn't have a headstone. I could find no picture of a headstone for him.